Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your lock screen wallpaper, how you can change your lock screen photos. Let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the settings. If you want to open the settings from here, you can also do that. Or if you want to open the settings from the here in the menu bar, you can also do that. Simply you need to click on the Apple logo, and after that you have to click on this option which is called system and preferences. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this the window will be open like this. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the user and groups, and after clicking on the user and groups, as you can see, the things will be open like this. Firstly, what we need to do, we have to click on this, and now we have to unlock this. So let's click on it, and now we have to provide the password here. So I'm going to write the password. This is our Apple account password. Then simply we have to click on the unlock. It will be unlocked like this. Now simply we need to click on this. As you can see, after clicking on this, let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, has an option for the current. If you, this is the current image which I have added. If you go to the default section, you will be able to see some other options. If you want to change them with this picture, these pictures, you can also do that. It's up to you. If you want to choose from the camera, you can also do that. You will be able to see all your images here. I'm going to back again, and after going to the back, as you can see in the photo section, your photos will be added, and movements and collections and all the things are provided. If you want to use them, you can also do that. So in this way you can choose your photos. In this way you can change that. Simply you have to select that, and then you need to click on the save, and that will be saved. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change your lock screen photo and lock screen photo in your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.